street dances all over the world.
Hey guys, Mercedes from M Freestyle Skills here, and Lewis, and cameraman, or camera woman.
I'm not a man.
It's
Me.
Alright, so today, we'll use my ball boy once again. That failed. Okay, and today we're going to be doing Ronaldo chop. And then, I don't know what this trick is called, but okay.
He's just sat down in the back, just like chills in the sun.
Yeah, I know, that's all we're going to be doing today. 2 tricks, not 3. In the sun.
Chilling in the
Right,
sun.
there's a car coming, so you can look at the ball.
I don't really think they want to look at the ball. I think they'd rather look at my face than the ball.
Alright, so for the Ronaldo chop's pretty easy. That's all you need to do. So you want to put your foot in front of the ball and go like that.
She's gone collecting the ball.
Alright, so how's the ball boy? Huh? How's the ball boy? Yeah, I forgot. So you want to put your strong foot in front, then your weak foot goes like that.
Another car. No, you can look at me. There's the car gone.
Right.
That one in the blue top, by the way, isn't just chilling. He is a ball boy.
Alright, next trick, don't know what it's called, is this. So when you grab your strong foot, you're going to pull the ball back and go like that. Then bring it back. So it's basically just a reverse of doing this. That's all you need to do. Or your strong foot, no weak foot, just keep your weak foot there. Bang. Bang. I always do that, I just mess around with it when it's on you. That's all you need to do. Just let me have a look.
Stop it.
Right. So we've got time for another trick. It's going to be the crossover. So if you don't know what the crossover is, you kick the ball and you push. There's a motorbike coming.
Oh yeah, you can watch the motorbike.
No, they're not allowed.
Why?
There's a guy.
There's a dog going crazy.
Motorbike. Alright, so listen guys. Press over. Do it on the spot. If you're doing it on the spot, you just go bang. But when you're moving, you kind of just go like this. Like that. So I'll let the ball boy show his. Look at that.
Go on, ball boy. Beat me.
You have to show how you do yours. Don't you play what, a wing back?
Ball boy seemed to lost his moto.
I'm thinking of American football. Alright, so guys, that's been it for this video. Peace.
Anybody lost looking to get found, know it when they hear the champions.